Here are 6 habits of high IQ people. 1. They talk to themselves. Talking to yourself helps you think better and solve problems more easily. 2. They have a great sense of humor. Enjoying jokes and funny things can make you more creative and better at handling difficult situations. 3. They like solitude. Spending time alone helps you think deeply and learn more about yourself. 4. They are open minded. Being open minded means you're willing to consider new ideas which can help you solve problems and come up with new things. 5. They have high observational skills. Noticing and understanding things well can help you make better decisions and understand the world around you. 6. They do not complain. They produce solutions instead of just talking about problems. Focusing on solutions helps you be more proactive and make positive changes.